Secure Enclave technology offers a powerful way to protect installed apps and business data for contractors and remote employees working on unmanaged, third-party managed, or personal devices. Unlike VDI or enterprise browsers, Secure Enclave technology runs both installed and browser-based apps locally with full performance, while isolating and protecting work data from personal activity. Venn's Blue Border uses Secure Enclave technology to create a trusted, isolated workspace on any unmanaged or personal PC or Mac, securing business apps and data without VDI or the need to fully manage or lock down the device. Applications run locally and natively, the way they would normally, but within the Secure Enclave, clearly marked by Blue Border. No remote hosting, no virtualization, and no compromise. In a landscape of remote work solutions that force compromise, Venn delivers true device freedom, seamless user experiences, and enterprise-grade control over apps and data that strengthen security and ensure compliance with regulations like SOC 2, HIPAA, FINRA, PCI, and many more. Secure your contractors, consultants, and remote employees the smart way. That's the power of Secure Enclave technology. That's the power of Venn. Go to venn.com and sign up for a demo today.